So I just had to film this. So I'm working on my transmission, and you're probably wondering, why in the world do I have a loaf of bread on my table, right? So I gotta be really careful where I put this because I have a lot of parts. I don't want to mess up. But, dude, you take your bread, right? And you got a bearing that's blind. There's an old farmer's old school hot rodding trick where you take like soap or bread, put it in the middle, pound it in, and it's got nowhere to go. So it's just going to push this out. And it, as you can see, already has started. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. I cannot believe this is actually working. I saw this on a Roadkill episode where they were taking a pilot bearing out the back of a crank, and they used soap to do this. But yeah, I just took my socket here, 24 millimeter. I'm gonna see if I can film this and hit at the same time, but you could probably see it happen where it's pulling out because you're compacting that bread. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. It's going. Oh, that was a good one. Oh yeah. Need some more bread. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe this is working, dude. I was about to buy a bearing puller off of Amazon, but bread will work. Oh my gosh, I almost have this thing out. Hold on. One more piece of bread ought to do it. It's kind of hard to do this all one-handed, but this is just too funny not to film. Okay, get the bread. Okay, get a nice little piece and just shove it down in there, right down its throat. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Let's see. Dude, I cannot believe that this is working. I've never used food to fix a car before. This is awesome. Dang, dude, about to run out of bread. I wonder if it'll care if it's the crust. Let's see. Maybe the crust is the strat. Last little bit. Really close. Oh my gosh. This is working. It's like a blender. We're gonna have a bread shake after this. Super tasty. Okay. Oh baby! What? Can't believe it. Fix it with bread every time.